Hello, I am Arnav Das. My roll number is 20CY20006. I have created two parts. One of the part I have created is a vase using loft features. In order to create this part, I have made different end sketches. I have made different sketches at different heights. And then I have used the additive loft features. Loft features as in order to join this is all four sketches, and then I have added a thickness in order to create this part. And next I have to create I have created this type of sim vase using revolve operations. In order to create this part, at first I have created this section, and it is denoted with now it is denoted with red colors. Then I revolved these sections. Then I revolved these sections in order to get this part, in order to get this whole part. And finally I have added the thickness. as to get this pass. Thank you.